Git Bundles integration for Expresia is a new, completely Git-based workflow. As you see in this example, you will work directly through Git with familiar concepts like elements, data sources, server-side scripts, and more, using either your own self-hosted solution or a popular provider such as GitHub or GitLab. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Git repository to Expresia Git Bundles. To help you get started and try this new workflow, we have created an Expresia app available on our Expresia GitHub repository titled Bundle Demo. You can start by forking or cloning this repo to your own Git provider so that you can follow along with us. Once you have your repo set up, navigate to the backend of Expresia, select the Develop tab, and click on the Git Bundle section. In this section, you'll have access to this video as well as a quick start guide to refer to if you get lost. Let's start by creating a new entry via the Add button. With the exception of a few fields, all of the information in this table will be automatically populated once you start pulling data from your Git provider. The fields that require manual intervention are SSH URL, production branch, my active branch, notes, and repo URL. The SSH URL can be obtained from your Git provider. In this case, I am using GitHub. Click the Code button and look for the SSH tab, copy the URL, and paste it back into the Expresia Git Bundles SSH URL field. The production branch will be named master by default, but this can be updated at any time. It is best practice to start with my active branch named master as well, so that it is clear that both branches have the same code version. Keep in mind that there is no limit to the number of branches you can have available, which is a strong benefit of using Expresia Git Bundles. After the SSH URL and branches have been added, make sure to hit the Save button. Once saved, the final step is to copy the public SSH key and paste it back into GitHub under Account Settings. As you are working in your Git repository, making changes and pushing them to your repos, simply come back to Expresia Git Bundles and click the Clone button. Alternatively, you can choose to configure the webhook with your Git provider to enable live sync. I'll show you how to integrate live sync from a GitHub repository to the Expresia Git Bundles. Let's first go back to the GitHub Repos Settings tab, navigate to the webhook section from the left menu, and here you will add a new hook. This will be your domain URL with different information depending on your Git provider. Next, hit the Add Webhook button and you are good to go. By doing this, you ensure that the next time you push changes to your Git repository, all changes will sync to Expresia Git Bundles automatically. The last thing I want to show you are the XPR folders within the repos. This will demonstrate how you can work with XPR elements and SSJS within Expresia Git Bundles. You can see we have the element folders which contain the usual stuff such as your templates, playlist skins, and element config, which serves as the connection between the handlebars file and your data sources. Under server.js, you will find the SSJS scripts. If you want to create an AJAX URL, it would be specified here in the routes.json file. Additionally, in the bundle.json file, you can specify which elements are set up as a template and those that will serve as playlist skins. With a heavy focus on Git integration, Expresia Git Bundles is a quantum leap for how we handle custom code within Expresia. We allow developers and teams to use their own Git-based workflows to integrate seamlessly with Expresia's broad feature set, all while preserving the fantastic branching, auditing, and code review capabilities you get from Git. Enjoy!